So I was at a yard sale a few days ago and saw they had one of these welding transformers. I figure it's gonna be kind of fun because it's high current. I mean, high current is always fun to mess around with. But a little problem is this transformer only gives 130 amps. And that's not enough. I mean, I want more current than that. So we're gonna have to open it up and do some modifications to it, I think. And see how many amps we can get out of it. Okay, I got the transformer out. I just want to show you, look how much crap is in here. Look how nasty this looks. Like, this is supposed to be orange, but right now it's just like kind of the same color as my carpet is. That's a lot of dust, so I'm gonna have some cleaning to do on the transformer. Well, it's all assembled and cleaned. Got all the rust and grunge off, well, most of the rust at least, of the core and of the windings. So here are the two primary windings, and here's what's left of the secondary winding. This is welding, the high current one. See, this is a solid copper wire. So we'll make a really neat coil gun someday, maybe. You know, we put a tube through here, apply a nice high current pulse to these, and send the thing flying. It's gonna be pretty nice. These parts here are what I really need. Oh, I also replaced the tubes that are on here that had these sticky, kind of gross looking tubes on the thing. So I replaced those with some heat shrink tubing to make it a little nicer to work with. Okay, so let's get this one on the core and put it together and power it up and have some fun with it. Okay, last one. There we go. So plug it in. See if I pop a breaker or not. Nope. I can hear it buzzing. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see if we actually can get some current out of it. Let me get a piece of wire here. Well, I got these two 25 square mil cables here. So, let's see if this is... It's kind of anticlimactic. It's not really sparking as much as I would hope it would spark. It's kind of lame. Well, I don't know if you can, how well you can see that. It's starting to glow a little bit, but I want the whole thing to glow. Okay, so I was messing around a bit more off camera, and I noticed that these cables, actually, it's two 25 mil cables I was using, are getting pretty warm, so I figure we should just short them out and see what happens. All smoking. Oh, this does not smell good at all. Well, doing this indoors was most definitely not the best idea ever, so let's continue doing this outdoors. The neighbors are probably questioning what the fuck I'm doing right now. And there goes the breaker. Well, that's pretty toasted. That's how, like, if you ever need to combine 4 cables into 1 cable is basically what you need to do. Although, I'm not gonna guarantee the functionality of said cables afterwards. Well, that was our first successful test of the high current transformer. So the next step would probably be to get this into proper shape. Maybe like paint the core to kind of just keep the moisture out a little bit. And then getting a proper secondary on this. As we found out, obviously 25 mil is not going to be enough. So we're gonna need like, I don't know, maybe I'll put a 95 mil copper on it and see how that goes. But anyway, thanks for watching and stay safe.